Hi viewers, today we are going to see how to make simple roses with paper. So first I am going to show you with the minimal thing we have: a regular white paper, a glue stick and scissors. These are the three things we need. So we are going to make equal squares. So I am going to split the paper into 6 equal squares. So first we are going to use 4 squares for the petals and one for the leaf and one for the bouquet. So now we took 4 squares and then made it into triangles, fold as shown, and then we are going to cut the petals from the 4 squares. Cut the petals as shown. So these are the pieces we get after cutting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 pieces are there. So we are going to glue the ends, and it make like cones, small cones. This one is totally optional. If you make it, it's going to give a curly look. Otherwise, it's okay. It's going to look beautiful only. So next we are going to color it. You can make any design you need. I'm just making an outline here with red, so it looks a little beautiful. Or you can just leave the flower as it is. It's going to be beautiful. So after that we are going to glue them in order. So just making a cut at the tips for the smaller ones so that they will stick better. They will not be coming out. And also liquid glue or Gorilla Glue works better. Now we still have 2 more squares remaining, right? So we are going to take 1 square and cut a leaf pattern. And we are going to stick to this flower. after coloring it green. So we are coloring this only because we are using the white paper. If we are going to use the color construction paper or color origami paper or any other color paper, we no need to color or use any sketch pens. We are good with the colored papers. So I had one more square remaining. I'm going to use that square for the bouquet. Since this is the white paper, we can color it in our favorite colors and make a bouquet. So I'm going to use yellow for this. You can make any pattern or any colors, any shapes. You can make stars, hearts for this bouquet. So as you can see, I have glued the bottom of the bouquet, and at the top I'm using a cellophane tape to stick the flower. I'm also going to show you how it looks when we use a construction paper. So I made a pink flower with green leaves and also a blue flower with green leaves, and the bouquet a little different pattern. And this was the blue flower I made. So this is how we make a rose bouquet. So when you have less time and you want to gift someone handmade gift for some occasion, so this is a very easy one you can give. Everybody loves handmade gifts.